Do not buy VideoExpress until you watch this video till the end, because this video is not like other videos on the internet, where I will be just showing you all the good things about the tool, but instead I will share my honest feedback for this tool, and will let you know if it is worth it or not. So this video is divided into 3 sections. Number 1, quick overview about the software. Number 2, things I like about it. Number 3, things I don't like about it. Number 4, my final overview of the app. You can skip to the given section from the timeline mentioned in the description. Alright, so let's start. VideoExpress is an AI tool that converts your script into animated videos in any language and any style, like 3D, 2D, and realistic human ones. The main reason VideoExpress stands out for me is they are offering it for a lifetime deal, which soon will convert to monthly fees, so I grabbed that opportunity. But as we all know, that not all the lifetime deals stay up to their promises. But luckily I haven't had any issues like that. Their support team is very helpful. And when I checked on Capterra, they have thousands of reviews from real users just like you and me, with over 4.5-star rating. Alright, so things I like about it the most are, let's say I want to create a full-length kids moral video where I want the characters to speak and need the same character in different scenes. Firstly, I will explain how I want my character to be like this. Either I can create from AI or I can upload my own. Don't worry about prompts. They give you all the prompt templates for unlimited stories and character ideas. Now, I want this character in different scenes so I can create like this. By the way, I can create videos in all styles, 2D, 3D, and realistic humans, etc. Now, I want the character to speak what I want so I can do like this. I have multiple options. Either I can use their natural sounding text to speech feature, or I can record my own voice or import any audio I want, like my music tracks, etc. Again, I don't have to pay anything extra for this. I get all this for lifetime for just a one-time price. Also, I can create videos in any language I want. By using VideoExpress, I saved hundreds of dollars in monthly fees that I was paying for text-to-speech apps, AI image software, and online video editing platforms. Finally, it takes a few seconds to get the video generated. Then I can combine all these clips together like this to create full-length videos. But now let's talk about the problems which I faced. They didn't have the ability to create speaking or singing videos back then when I purchased it, but because their lifetime deal comes with free future upgrades. So I got that after a few weeks of purchasing it as their team worked on it, and the videos come out so good now. Check out some of these videos I have created using it. So yeah, guys, they have an ongoing roadmap of features from the community request, which they keep adding to make this software the best in the market, and you get all that for absolutely free upgrade if you get the lifetime deal. Secondly, when I am using it, I still face some issues with consistency in characters, but don't you worry about that. I have cracked some techniques to get consistency in characters. And I have put together my first bonus for you, which is Consistent Character Prompt Guide. So if you decide to get this deal, you can go to the link mentioned in the description. And at the end of this video, I will show you how to avail all the bonuses. Finally, there's no step-by-step guidance on how to actually succeed with this app in record speed, but you don't have to worry about that anymore as well, because from the successful case studies from other members, I have put together the bonus number 2, Faceless YouTube Automation course, that shows you step-by-step from scratch on how to go viral with faceless videos you create from VideoExpress, and also create monetizable YouTube videos in record speed. Members who have gone through that course are getting results like this. Jackus, who recently started his faceless YouTube channel and already got more than 3,000 views in less than a day, and says my views are consistently growing every hour. Another user who has started his Spanish YouTube channel and already got more than 10,000 views in less than a week as a beginner. So to sum it all up, if you want to create professional animated videos and don't want to spend hefty monthly fees without compromising quality, then this is a steal deal for you guys if their lifetime deal is still available. Because for just a low one-time price, you can create as many videos as you want, and you never have to pick up a camera or use any fancy editing softwares. To check if the lifetime deal is still available, go to the website mentioned in the description. And if you decide to get in, you will also get my exclusive bonuses for absolutely free: Consistent Character Prompt Templates, Faceless YouTube Automation course, Untapped AI Niches List, and real-life successful YouTube channels, case study. Simply email to support@videoexpress.ai, mention bonus from Aria in the subject line, and they will give you instant access to the bonuses. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.